Make sure you're logged into TechZenik.com. Select your age. Click Start Coding, JavaScript, and here you can follow along with all our examples and code along with us. Paul from TechZenik here, and in this lesson, we'll be learning about comparison operators. Comparison operators are conditional statements that are used to compare two values together. They will always return a Boolean value, so true or false. In the next few exercises, I've already declared three variables we're going to use: a equal to 10, b equal to 3, and c equal to the string of 3. The first operator is greater than. We use this symbol here to compare two values together and check if it's greater than. In this example, I'm going to compare if a is greater than b. So if 10 is greater than 3. If we run our code, we get a is greater than b, true. We can also compare if b is greater than a. So is 3 greater than 10? We get false. The next operator is greater than or equal. This operator checks if the first value is greater than or equal to the next value. So I'm going to check if a is greater than or equal to b. So is 10 greater than or equal to 3? If we run the console, we get true. Next, I'm going to compare if a is greater than or equal to 10. We also get true. The next operator is less than. Less than checks if the first value is less than the second. So if I want to check if b is less than a, you get true, since 3 is less than 10. The next operator is less than or equal. Similar to greater than or equal, we check if the first value is less than or equal to the second value. So we can check if b is less than or equal to a, so is 3 less than or equal to 10? We get true. Next, we have the equality operators. The first one is strict equality. Strict equality checks if the two values are equal to each other and if they are both the same data type. Take a look at this code here. We are going to check if a is strictly equal to 10. We write this using 3 equal signs. And if we run the console, we get true. Now, look at this code. Let's compare b is strictly equal to c. We get false. Even though they both have the value of 3, they are not the same data type since b is a number and c is a string. Therefore, our strict equality will return false for this comparison. Next is strict inequality. Strict inequality checks if two values are not equal to each other and checks if they are the same data type. So we can check if b is not equal to c using exclamation mark, and 2 equal signs. We get B is not equal to C because B is a number and C is a string. We can also compare A not equal to C. And this will also return true. Next is equality. Equality only checks if two values have the same value, but it does not check if they are the same data type. For instance, take a look at this code. We want to compare if B is equal to the number 3. To use this operator, we use 2 equal signs. Is B equal to 3? We get true. Now, what if we compare the number 3 with the string 3? So if B is equal to C, we get true because the number 3 and the string 3 are the same value, but they are not the same data type. But normal equality does not check if they're the same data type, so it will always return true here. Next is inequality. Similar to equality, it only checks if two values have the same value. So we can compare A is not equal to B. We write this with exclamation mark and 1 equal sign. And if we run this, we get true. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.